Hello again, students. Let's do the pools in the school. Find the average of your first three tests, then find the max average you could get after your fourth test. Include all decimals if needed. All right, so here's what you're doing. Your max average after a fourth test would be if you scored a 100, so assuming there's no extra credit. So your three test average is going to be 84 plus 87 plus 78, and then all of that noise divided by 3 because you've taken 3 tests. Now you might want to save the total number because that might come into play here. So if you do 84 plus 87 plus 78, that's going to be 249 points over 3 tests. So 249 divided by 3, your 3 test average is an 83. Okay, cool. Now what would be your max average after your fourth test? Well, if you scored 100 points, that means you would now be at 349 points, and you've taken now 4 tests. So if you do 349 divided by 4, your max average would be, it says include all decimals if needed. Oh yeah, we're going to need them. 87.25. There we go. So there you go. Good job, y'all. You went from an 83 to an 87.25 because you aced your fourth test. Good job. Or at least that's the max. It's the best you could do without extra credit. So hopefully you get that 100 on that fourth test. I'm trying to think if there's anything else to talk about. Not really. Just make sure you find the average of your 3 tests. Save that number because this is the total points you've scored over 3 tests, and then that makes your 4 test points total pretty easy to find. You just add 100. So all we did is we added 100 from there. All right, and then we divided by 4 since we now took a fourth test. All right, cool. Averages are pretty easy to figure out. Just take your time, add up all the points, divide by the number of items, and you can find the average pretty quick. All right, cool. That was the pools in the school. See you in class.